In this video, I will show you how to give access of your eBay shop without giving them password, how to add team member in your eBay. So let's get started on my computer screen. So right now I am on my laptop screen and I am on my eBay. I will click on my username here and then this is homepage of eBay, then account setting. That is very good option if you want someone to work on your shop without giving login and if he wants to do specific task, then click account. It will be automatically open account and then account preferences and team access, and then get started. Then you can put the name so here, then put here email. You can send any message, you can type any kind of message here, and then choose what they can do, what task you want to do him. Like if he wants to do listing, then you can click here orders, messaging and marketing and advertising and research. Whatever task you need to do, then select this task and then send invite. This is sending invite. Okay, this has been sent and now I will get email. I got the email. I will show you how to once the task has been done. So I will click here and then it asks me to sign in your account, accept the invite and let teamwork begin. So that this is still opening. Click manage team. Here you can remove access. So this was the video. If you need any kind of help, then you can send me email. I will help you as soon as possible. So thank you so much.